Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to play Nightmares 3. I'll show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to install this Steam. If you doesn't have installed in your PC, then check my video description for this download link. Just install the Steam and then in search, you just need to search for Nightmares. You will get this including Nightmares 3. You will get this Little Nightmares 3. Just scroll down, play Little Nightmares 3 free trial game pass, select the install game option, select click to install now, select the game location where you want to save and select OK, select accept option, and then go to library and the game is downloading guys, please wait. After this download gets done, select the play option. And now you can actually play single player and you can play a multiplayer using the friends pass. Just press enter and you can invite your friends and play the game guys. And that's how you can play this the Little Nightmares 3. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.